Bhagavad Gita as it is, Chapter 1, Text 40. Adharmabhi bhavat Krishna pradushyanti kulastriyaha strishu dushtasu varshneya jayate varna sankaraha. Synonyms: Adharma, irreligion; Abhibhavat, having been predominant; Krishna, O Krishna; Pradushyanti, become polluted; Kula Striyaha, family ladies; Strishu, of the womanhood; Dushtasu, being so polluted; Varshneya, O descendant of Vrishni; Jayate, it so becomes; Varna Sankaraha, unwanted progeny. Translation: When irreligion is prominent in the family, O Krishna, the women of the family become corrupt, and from the degradation of womanhood, O descendant of Vrishni, comes unwanted progeny. Purport: Good population in human society is the basic principle for peace, prosperity, and spiritual progress in life. The Varnashrama religion's principles were so designed that the good population would prevail in society for the general spiritual progress of state and community. Such population depends on the chastity and faithfulness of its womanhood. As children are very prone to be misled, women are similarly very prone to degradation. Therefore, both children and women require protection by the elder members of the family. By being engaged in various religious practices, women will not be misled into adultery. According to Chanakya Pandit, women are generally not very intelligent and therefore not trustworthy. So, the different family traditions of religious activities should always engage them. And thus, their chastity and devotion will give birth to a good population eligible for participating in the Varnashrama system. On the failure of such Varnashrama dharma, naturally the women become free to act and mix with men, and thus adultery is indulged in at the risk of unwanted population. Irresponsible men also provoke adultery in society, and thus unwanted children flood the human race at the risk of war and pestilence. Text 41. Sankaro narakayaiva kulagnanam kulasya cha patanti pitaro hyesham lupta pindodaka kriyaha. Synonyms: Sankaraha, such unwanted children; Narakaya, for hellish life; Eva, certainly; Kulagnanam, of those who are killers of the family; Sya, of the family; Cha, also; Patanti, fall down; Pitaraha, forefathers; He, certainly; Yesham, of them; Lupta, stopped; Pinda, offerings; Udaka, water; Kriyaha, performance. Translation: When there is increase of unwanted population, a hellish situation is created both for the family and for those who destroy the family tradition. In such corrupt families, there is no offering of oblations of food and water to the ancestors. Purport: According to the rules and regulations of fruitive activities, there is a need to offer periodical food and water to the forefathers of the family. This offering is performed by worship of Vishnu because eating the remnants of food offered to Vishnu can deliver one from all kinds of sinful actions. Sometimes the forefathers may be suffering from various types of sinful reactions, and sometimes some of them cannot even acquire a gross material body and are forced to remain in subtle bodies as ghosts. Thus, when remnants of prasadam food are offered to forefathers by descendants, the forefathers are released from ghostly or other kinds of miserable life. Such help rendered to the forefathers is a family tradition, and those who are not in devotional life are required to perform such rituals. One who is engaged in the devotional life is not required to perform such actions. Simply by performing devotional service, one can deliver hundreds and thousands of forefathers from all kinds of misery. It is stated in the Bhagavatam, Devarshi bhutapa rinam pitrinam nakinkaro nayam rini charajan sarvatmanayah sharanam sharanyam gato mukundam parihritya kartam. Anyone who has taken shelter of the lotus feet of Mukunda, the giver of liberation, giving up all kinds of obligation, and has taken to the path in all seriousness, owes neither duties nor obligations to the demigods, sages, general living entities, family members, humankind, or forefathers. Bhagavatam, Canto 11, Chapter 5, Text 41. Such obligations are automatically fulfilled by performance of devotional service to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Text 42. Doshairetaihi kulagnanam varna sankara karakaihi utsadyante jati dharmaha kula dharmascha shashvataha. Synonyms: doshaihi, by such faults; etaihi, all these; kulagnanam, of the destroyer of a family; varna sankara, unwanted children; karakaihi, by the doers; utsadyante, causes devastation; jati dharmaha, community projects; kula dharmaha, family tradition; cha, also; shashvataha, eternal. Translation: due to the evil deeds of the destroyers of family tradition, all kinds of community projects and family welfare activities are devastated. Purport: the four orders of human society combined with family welfare activities as they are set forth by the institution of the Sanatana Dharma or Varnashrama Dharma are designed to enable the human being to attain his ultimate salvation. Therefore, the breaking of the Sanatana Dharma tradition by irresponsible leaders of society brings about chaos in that society, and consequently people forget the aim of life, Vishnu. Such leaders are called blind, and persons who follow such leaders are sure to be led into chaos.